Airport, trains, and even most buses offer free Wi-Fi. So as soon as you arrive at Vienna airport, you can connect to the airport's free Wi-Fi and search for anything you need right away. As soon as you exit the baggage claim at Vienna airport, you will come out through this gate into the arrivals hall. If you are traveling to another city like Linz, Graz, or Salzburg, etc., you need to follow the train signs. See this symbol here, the train icon with an arrow. Follow it. From this gate, turn right, keep walking straight in this direction. You will see the train sign again further ahead. Always follow the train symbol. If you are hungry, there are food outlets here, including Burger King and other cafes. If you need help, there is an airport information desk in this area. As you continue walking towards the right, you will see the train symbol again with a sign pointing downstairs. Follow the ramp down to the basement level. This is where the airport train station is located. Once you reach the lower level, you will see the ticket machines. If you are traveling to another city outside Vienna, use the red OBB machine. Tap English first. The from location is already set to Vienna airport. You only need to enter your destination city. Now enter your destination city. For example, I am going to Linz. Press next. If you are traveling alone, you can skip the option for child, senior or group ticket. Just press next. Now you will see the departure times of the available trains. If you see a single line, that means it's a direct train. You won't need to change trains. If you see multiple lines with gaps between them, that means you will have to change trains at least once along the way. Don't worry, the ticket will clearly tell you where to change, and the same information is also on the screen. If you are unsure, choose a direct train. If you are comfortable with connections, you can pick a train with multiple lines. You can also use Google Maps for extra guidance. It's very accurate here. On the left, you will see the train's departure time. Just below that, you will see the number of train changes needed to reach your destination. In the middle, you will see exactly at which stations you need to change the trains. And on the right hand side, you will see the arrival time at your destination. After that, select the train and press checkout. If you want to upgrade your ticket to first class, there is an option, but regular ticket works fine. Now press checkout and pay. You can buy the train ticket using either a card or cash. After paying, your ticket will print automatically. Once you have your ticket, move to the large blue departure screen, which is located at the left side of the ticket machine. Here you will see the train number, departure time, and destination. If the train is delayed, the estimated time will also be displayed. On the right side, it will show the platform number. Listen carefully, this is important. The time you see on the board is the departure time, not the arrival time of the train. For example, if your train says 12:34, that is the moment the train leaves the station. It's not when it arrives at the station. so be very careful. If you are not on the platform before 12:34, the train will be gone. Once 12:34 hits, the train start moving towards its destination, so don't be late. Now if the train is running late, the board will show an estimated departure time with the delay in minutes. Keep an eye on that. Next, you will see the train number. This is the exact train you will board. So remember it. Right next to it, you will see the to field, which shows the train's final destination. My train is going to Salzburg, Hauptbahnhof, but my stop is Linz. Don't worry, right next to the train, the board lists all the stops along the route. For example, Vienna Hauptbahnhof, St. Polten, Linz Hauptbahnhof, and others. Make sure your station is on that list before getting on. Finally, check the platform number. Usually right next to it, there will be a list of platform. On my screen, it says 1EF. That means head to platform number 1. Then follow the sign for EF to find the right section. So remember, check departure time, verify your train number and stops, and go to the correct platform. That's it. Simple and stress-free. Follow the signs for your platform. For example, if your train is going to Linz Hauptbahnhof and is arriving at platform number 1, look for the arrow on the ceiling pointing down to the platform 1. Take the stairs, escalator or elevator down to the platform. Inside the train station, you will see blue information board. These boards show you platform number and the exact section of the platform, labeled from A onwards like E or F. Make sure you check both the platform number and the section so you stand in the correct area for your train. Now board the train, and on the screen inside the train you can see the next stops, your current station and the estimate arrival time. If there are any delays, they will be displayed here as well. Every train compartment has a dedicated space for luggage. When you enter, look for the luggage area. If you don't see it immediately, check the other side of the same compartment. It's always there. Toilets are usually located at the front and end of each compartment. If there isn't one in your section, just walk into the next compartment and you will find it. Some trains also have a cafe on board. On others, you will find vending machines instead. So if you want snack or drinks, you can simply pay and grab what you need. During your journey, a ticket inspector will come to check your ticket. When they arrive, just take out your ticket and show it to them. They'll scan it and move on. That's it, no stress. If you prefer booking ticket online instead of using the machine, you can download the OBB app. It's called OBB Tickets. Open the app and go to the timetable and ticket section. Tap on search. In the form field, enter Flughafen Wien, which is Vienna Airport. In the to field, enter your destination city. Then select your date and preferred time, and then tap Find. The app will show you all the available trains. If you see a single line, it's a direct train. If you see multiple lines, that means you will need to change trains during the journey. The platform number, departure time, and destination will also be displayed inside the app. You can book your ticket directly here and avoid using the ticket machine. If you want exact direction to your final address, for example from Vienna airport directly to your dorm or apartment, you can use Google Maps. Simply enter your full address and it will show you the exact combination of trains, trams or buses you will need to take, including the transfer times. If you need to use the restroom after landing, from the arrival gate, go to the left instead of right, walk straight ahead and follow the sign marked WC. The toilets are clearly labeled for men and women. If you are staying inside Vienna and not traveling to another city, exit the arrival area and follow the sign outside. You will see the taxi waiting directly in front of the airport. You can take a taxi if you prefer a direct ride. There are also buses available outside. To find correct one, open Google Map and enter your destination. It will show you which bus to take and from which stop. For example, here my bus number is VBA2 and I will buy the ticket from this ticket machine and then take the bus to my destination. We have now arrived at Linz Hauptbahnhof or Linz train station. Get off the train and take your luggage with you. Since you will be carrying heavy suitcases, head towards the elevator at the end of the platform. Use the elevator to go down to the main station level. Avoid the stairs. It's much easier this way. Once you exit the elevator, walk straight and follow the overhead signs. You will see arrow pointing towards tram lines and bus connections. For example, sign showing 1 to 4 indicates tram platform in that direction. Follow the arrow based on where you need to go. When you reach the tram area, you will see an electronic board displaying tram lines number such as 1, 2, 3, 4. Next to each tram number, you will see the final destination and how many minutes remaining until arrival. Check the destination name carefully before boarding. Tram from the main station run in two directions. If you are staying near Johannes Kepler University, you will typically take line 1 or line 2 in that direction. If your accommodation is in the opposite direction, board the tram heading the other way. Always confirm the final destination display on the board. Trams also have the final destination mentioned on them and also the line number. To make things easier, open Google Map and enter your address. Public transport in Austria is very accurate on Google Maps. It will tell you exactly which tram or bus to take and whether you need to transfer. There is also the Linz AG app which makes things simple. You enter your location and it shows you all the public transport options, trams, buses, everything, and tells you exactly what to take to reach your destination. Just remember, it depends on the city. In Linz, it's Linz AG. In Vienna and Graz, the transport apps are different. So you can quickly search on Google for the official local transport app in your city and download it. And if you don't want to bother with a local app at all, Google Map works perfectly fine. Just enter your destination and it will show you the best public transport options. If you prefer not to use public transport after a long journey, you can take a taxi. Use the elevator again to reach ground floor. Now exit the station with this door, and on the left hand side you will find taxis waiting outside. Simply give the driver your address and that's it. If you look up the location and it tells you to take the bus stop is right in front of the taxi stand. You can't miss it. Now I will tell you how to book tickets for Linz public transport. When you come down from the stairs to the underground station, look at the right hand side. You will see 2 ticket machines there. That's what you need. Go to the machine and first select the language. Choose English. After that you will see a few ticket options on the screen. First option is 24-hour pass. This ticket allows you to travel anywhere inside the Linz for 24 hours using buses and trams. It's simple and flexible. Then there is a long distance ticket. Use this if your destination is farther away and not within just a few stops. There is also a short distance ticket. This one is valid for only 4 stops. So if your destination is within 4 stops, this is the cheapest and smartest option. After choosing your ticket, just tap buy on the screen, then you can pay either by card or cash. At Linz Hauptbahnhof, there are public toilets inside the train station and you have to pay to use them. Usually it take 50 cents or 1 euro, so make sure you have some coins with you. From Vienna airport to Linz, step by step. Now you exactly know what to do from the airport to your city. Travel safely, don't stress, and I will see you in the next video.